Top ZANU-PF Women's League officials nearly came to blows at a 10th Provincial Coordinating Committee PCC meeting in Mutare as the deepening factional battles for control of the party's management structures spewed into the open. Zabeda mashoko buda panguwa ino yokunzi awa panguwa ine ZANU-PF's big wigs for exchange ma blows kwetika bongo zozo kumanika le not subscribe ole got on the bell icon. Tibina mnamu buda yokamsinzi. The dramatic altercation witnessed by senior party officials and delegates saw rival factions aligned to ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs Patrick CHAMISA and Senate President Mabo Chinomona clash over who should lead the Provincial Women's League. The main protagonists in the showdown were acting Provincial Chairperson Mercy Sasso, widely regarded as CHAMISA's ally, and Dorothy Mabika, a political heavyweight, allegedly backed by Chinomona. Both the women attempted to assert dominance at a high table during the meeting, claiming to be the legitimate leader of the Women's League in the province. CHAMISA was forced to intervene publicly, urging the two rivals to avoid further embarrassment and await a final determination from the Politburo. In quotes, "I am the Secretary for Legal Affairs and I must ensure that the party constitution is upheld," CHAMISA said. The election of Mabika as the chairperson was not sanctioned by the party. It was overruled, and Sako remains the acting chairperson until the Politburo makes the final decision. The position became vacant last year following the suspension of the then chairperson Happiness Naguyetwa. Mabika claimed to have been legitimately elected earlier this year, but CHAMISA insists the process was irregular. Tomash Karubuda Panko ino chuluka kunzi aiwa azina kumira mushe kumanika lent uko kuri kutemana ende varunya kurudzana these influential posts ngokuti dzemafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitwe chimina kuma section yedu dzokuru enyu subscribe like pachite not on the bell icon.